nadulugan, masakop ang kaguyutan. Turbang pulay torsido, payay nundutan, di kusog ka nadulugan, masakop ang kaguyutan.
Build the wall, my friends! They built the wall in Berlin. The next great plan for wall building will keep out all the Mexicans. That's because America stands for shutting out the immigrants. So come on, white folks, let's join hands, make America great again! You're the most powerful man on the earth now. What's about to happen here ain't nothing personal. Billions of people been crying for help now. They'll just sit back and watch you take yourself down. I'm funneling your jobs to China. I'm coveting your rights from Meow Meow. I'm talking trade with North Koreans and all those socialist Europeans. My latest homework has got me